Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add swing allowance, how to grade the pattern, and how to rename the pattern and so on. So let's start. Before going to start, I would request you to please subscribe my channel if you are new. So let's rename the pattern first. See, I made here two front panel to make you understand something. Like if you want to rename the pattern, you can do it in different way. One is go to piece and click info. This window will this pop-up will be here, and you can click here also piece info. It will be same window, and you can double click on this piece. This will be also same window. So let's rename the pattern. See, as this is a t-shirt pattern, and why I made here actually the double pattern to make you some understand. Like let me rename this first. Like this is front. On the piece name you should write the name, okay, and quote you don't need to put anything. On the description you can put like uh, cut quantity like this, or some of people I saw they write like this, cut 1x1 like that. So you can put as you want. So cut 1 and materials. In this field you should put the materials means like these are shelf fabrics, shelf, and sometime we have like interlining, or sometime you have contrast fabrics or different kind of fabrics. So to category this fabrics type, you should write something on the materials. So based on these materials you can make a marker in easy way. So uh, and also this will help you to identify that pattern, because now we see only few pattern are in this style, but sometimes like for the jacket or for some critical style you will have like more than 50 panel in this pattern. So that time you will have some problem to identify that category or something like that. So that's what you need to place materials here. So put I'm putting S as a shell fabrics, and you don't need anything here. You can increase the text size, like this is the undefined one, and this ratio is 0.95. If you put like 5, that letter will be like half of this piece. So this is the actually best uh, size for this panel. And in this see quantity per bundle means per garments. So per garments you need only one front part, so you can put only one, and one will be default, so you don't need to do anything. And when one is default, piece means uh, like when you put one here, this is also default as a none. So if you put one, then this selection should be none, okay. So if you click on like this double, I'll let you know about this option later. So let me apply. Now see, this is the front cut on 0. It means this is size, and there is showing 0 because I didn't rename that size still. And this is shell. So if you put here like uh, lining. See this showing lining. So okay, then why make this piece also? I make this piece to make you understand, like front. Now this will be cut too, because this is only right side of the garment, so you need left side also. That time you need to put two, and this also shell. So when there is two, this should be also two, and when this is two, this should not be none. Or you can put none also sometimes, because sometimes you need same side two panel for some of style, not for front, but for some of the panel. That time you need to put none, and normally I need left side, so I should click on this option, because see here, for example, this side already you cut, so this side will be copied. So if you put 2 here, see what will be. So when you will make marker, that time this is your original piece and this will made another copy. And if you click this one also working same, but this time that piece will be uh, like this. Okay. So in this direction. That's what I made this panel to make you understand. So I don't need this for this style. Okay, now this is back cut one, then shell, and this is a sleeve, cut two, shell, this time two, and should put two. Sorry, I may put two. Oh no, that's okay. Now there is a neck rib, so you can put rib, cut one. Now R means rib. Okay. Now see, this three panel color is like yellowish and this red. Okay, and by this way you can category your uh, panel also. Okay, now let me add swing allowance. So swing allowance also you can add in a different way. Like if you want to add only this panel swing allowance, you can go to this icon sim, then if you want to add only this area, you can put this starting point, this ending point. So you put the value, this will add. So only this area will be add. If you want full swing allowance, Control Z means undo. Okay. So if you need full area, so this is like a starting point, and this is clockwise, and this is ending point too. So double click. Now if you want 1 centimeter, you will put on, and all over the piece swing allowance will be added. Again Control Z, because I want to place swing allowance for all the panel. If I do in this way, I need a lot of time, because sometimes I have maybe lot of panel. So general swing allowance normally we put on centimeter. So I will add all pieces in general swing allowance, then I will add if needed any additional swing allowance. So to do this, go to sim and global sim. Okay, let me remove this piece from here. Okay, why I remove, I will tell you. Go to sim allowance, sorry, sim, then global sim. Now you will have three options here. Like first you need to put the value, then this default current piece only. If you now if you click OK, then only this panel will add the swing allowance C. Okay, and if you put if you click OK on this all piece on work area, then this all pieces swing allowance will be added together. But see, this was I have removed from work area. Now see, there is no swing allowance. Okay, but still you can do it like there is no swing allowance. Okay, now go to this option and click all piece on this style. It means whether it is in work area or here, all piece swing allowance will be added. Sometime maybe you have made based pattern which you don't want to put swing allowance, or some finished pattern is there, ready pattern, so there swing allowance no need. In this time maybe you can remove swing allowance after adding the swing allowance, or maybe you can remove the pieces from this work area and click in this option. I think you understand what I mean. Okay, if you still have any question, you may write on the comment section below, so I'll clear each and everything possible. Okay, now control B. Control B means if some panel like this and it's very difficult to find panel, so when you uh, click Control plus B, all piece will be in the work area and together. Now see, all the piece has 1 centimeter swing allowance, but I need for bottom hem is more. So that time I should, okay. Before adding that swing allowance, I would like to inform you how to remove that swing allowance from this panel. If you want to remove the swing allowance from all panels, so you should uh, uh, click all the panel by drag the left button and remove swing allowance. So all pieces swing allowance has been removed. If you want to remove only one piece, then select that piece and remove seam. Okay, now let me add bottom swing allowance, because I need here at least 2 centimeter. So this is starting point and this is ending point. That time I should put 2, because I need to. If you want more, you can put according to your requirement. And after putting this, after having 2, you need to select that is starting point number 4 and ending point number 5. Because why, I'll tell you after having swing allowance on the back panel. Okay, this also I need 2 centimeter. This time I'll not select anything, I'll put only 2. So now see, difference between this swing allowance is they are showing only little different. See, uh, and why I select that option for front, and we you should place this option for back too, because that bottom is wider than the chest. So when that garments will stitch, after complete the side seam, the edge of the bottom will be wider than this stitching area. That time that bottom maybe will be appear some gatherings or twisting like that, because that fabrics will be more than this area. So by that option, what I click, whatever amount is there, automatically that area got reduced. For example, now if you reshape this panel, see, if I reduce this for your understanding, see that area, see here, I have 2 centimeter, so I'll put 2 also. See, what amount have reduced here, this also got reduced automatically. Okay, but if we do same thing on the back panel, this will not change, because I didn't click that option. Okay, So uh, this will mostly help you for bottom shape on the trouser or something like that. Okay, I think you have understand. So I should put always start point number 4 and end point number 5. Okay, then you can see also here, if I put only 2 centimeter, now what will be happen? See, when that area will turn off, this area uh, will be shorter than this. For example, if for your better understanding, like 2 centimeter I put, like, okay, this is a area. Okay, this is area. So if I, for example, I will turn this. So remove this swing allowance, then make it opposite. Now you need the swing allowance actually like this. Okay, because when you turn off, this will be matched with this point. Okay, but now this will not match uh, because that area is shorter. So to get is wider, but you don't know how wider is that, and it's very difficult to measure. You can measure by this way, or you can check what is the wider point is like here. 1.08 centimeter is wider this area than this. So it's very difficult to make it manually. That's the reason there is has option to make it according to need. So 4 5. Now see, if you turn this area, now that everything will be matched and there will no any discrepancy. So I think you understand. And one more point I would like to let you know. Sometimes some panel, like for example, okay, for example, you have like this panel on the t-shirt. Okay, sometimes can be. So if there is swing allowance on centimeter, because you should put on centimeter, but see in this area that swing allowance is too long, though all the around swing allowance not needed, and this will just waste the marker. In this case, you can cut the swing allowance. If you do it manually, then it is easier, but on the cat it's quite difficult. So in this case, you can trim that swing allowance by, see here, manual seam angle. So first click here, then how much do you need it? Click first point, then click this point. So rest area will be removed. Okay, hope you understand everything. So let me go to previous option. Okay, now I have completed the swing allowance, completed piece information, and still there is no style name because I didn't put an style name. Only here is, you can see 1 to 3 the style name, but this will not appear after printing it out. So to make it, you need to put on the global information, like you can go through here, or piece information, global information. Okay, in this case you can put 1 to 3 this style name. Okay, see now style name is showing. So you can understand after printing out also this onto style, and you can, if you want, you can put like some brand name also, like H&M or something like that. Okay, so okay, uh, so you can put information in this way, or maybe according to your requirement. Okay, so I think you already understand all these things I explained. So if you think this is useful for you, please let me know by comment section below. Or if you need something else apart from them, also please let me know. And if you are new, requesting you to please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend. So he or she will be also get help from here. So now I'll show you how to grade the pattern. So before start to grade, you need to make the size. To make it, go to grading and size, or see, you can see here shortcut also, shift plus F4. Okay, now there is no size, let me size it M. Okay, if you close now, see, now you can see this M. Okay, okay, M. And you need like small also. So small is smaller than M. So click on the insert after having cursor on this, selecting on this M. So now you can place small. Okay, now we will need large also. So after having cursor on this, I mean select the M, then click on the append and put L, then again like Excel, whatever you needed, like you need more, make double Excel. If you think that you have made double Excel is extra, which was not required, so you may delete this also. Okay, okay, so now you can see small, medium, large Excel, double Excel. And here we have only medium size. Now we need to add that grading value. You can hide the seam allowance also by, see, show hide seam allowance, and here you can hide the grading. Okay, now grading was is hidden, and now showing. Okay, to bring that grading window, go to grade and control F4. Actually their shortcut is control F4. But grading table supposed to be here. Okay, I'll let you know after found that option. It's supposed to be there. Anyway, control F4. Okay, control plus F4. And if again press control plus F4, this will be hide. Okay, control plus F4. Now you want to grading on the length wise. So if uh, see, for your understanding, left and bottom side is left, this side, for example, this is a pattern, this center point, left side, if you want to increase, you need to uh, place minus value, left and bottom is minus, top top and right side is plus value. When you need to add it like plus, you don't need to put any plus sign, but during minus you should add. Okay, so here uh, for example, I have 2 centimeter grading each size, so I'll click any of the point, then drag all this point. This is x, this is x, this is y, so minus 2 centimeter. Okay, and press enter. So see, now you need to observe this, because sometime it can happen. Maybe you thought you put right value, but you didn't check. But sometime you will have such problem, like here the small color is red, okay, and double XL color is like pink. Okay, see, this pink is smaller than that, like double XL is smaller than small, which is incorrect. And why? Because that small size is longer than, see, you can see the value also, this medium you cannot change. Okay, so small is 2 centimeter longer than medium, because I put minus value. Okay, so, and this is every size is got 2 centimeter reduced from that. See, this large is smaller than medium, XL is smaller than large, like that. So you should put, or you can click here and should put only, you should put this, click on this area, then 2. Now see, this is okay, because this medium size, this is small, and normally it is okay. Now you can uh, place this value again, like this, or you can copy it, like this. I made this first grading value, and you can copy the grading, then you can paste it multiple area, like you can paste it single also. See, x paste this x, because I already told you this is x paste. So now all that point has graded. Now I need back panel also same grading, so I'll place same grading for all the point together. So select start point, end point, then x paste. So all the grading has been applied. Okay, I think you understand. Now I'll make grading on the uh, bottom. So what I told you, this is plus value, and small will be minus than the medium. So I will place now minus value 1 centimeter. See, now this is okay. Then I will copy that grading and will paste on chest also. So on time copy is okay until next copy. Okay. Okay. Then for shoulder grading, you may place 0.75. See, this time I put plus value. That's what the grading got reverse. When you have this kind of problem, you can click left click and select all, and right click flip. Okay, so this will be also help you. Now copy the grading and paste on the other side. Always check that sequence. Okay. Okay, now on the neck also 25. See, this time also that is small is wider than the medium, so I'll reverse it by flip. So then now we need front neck drop. Okay, so this is almost okay. Now you need to grade on armhole point, like 1 centimeter grading. Okay, and this also 1 centimeter. So This grading is good before make the panel is full, like this is half panel, and if you place the grading value this side also will be automatically added. Okay, now make it full. Then for sleeve grading, like 1.5 length is grading, or maybe 1 centimeter, copy it, make it all the point, then maybe 0.5. Okay, now you see that grading value. Every size has half centimeter grading, uh, longer, and here 25, so 75 0.75 centimeters. So that neck will be there, 1.5 centimeter grading, because this was half side and this full neck. So all the grading has been done. I think I have made everything clear. See, you can hide the grading. See, like this show grading, this without swing allowance, this with swing allowance. Okay, so in this way you can grade and you can make this pattern. So next video I'll show you detail about marker and others things. So I think uh, you have enjoyed this video. Please let me know by comment section below how do you feel about this video. Thank you so much for watching the video.